Hi everyone, I'm Genene and I have a dynamic stretching sequence, yoga style. And basically what that means is in yoga, how we often hold the asanas. In today's practice, we're going to be moving one breath per movement in a dynamic way. And today's sequence is all about standing asanas to open the hips. So if you generally use a block for your standing asanas, grab it and place it to the right of your mat, whatever front is for you. And if you have issues with balance, make sure you grab a chair and place the back of the chair seat towards you, and you can place it right in the middle of the chair to start of the mat, long-wise. All right, I'm moving it out of the way just so you can see. Come to the left side of your mat, Tadasana. Keeping yourself upright, inhale, and then exhale, step your right foot as wide as you can laterally. Bend the right knee, but just before it comes past the ankle. So right in line with the right ankle, and then draw into the pelvic floor, step back, just like that. So inhale, lengthen, exhale, lunge, inhale, lengthen, exhale, lunge, inhale, lengthen, and exhale, lunge. Inhale, Tadasana. Take a breath. Walk to the left. Same thing on this side. So if you bend the knee past the ankle, your knee will hurt. The other thing is to focus on the pelvis lifting. Inhale and exhale. Step the foot wide. Left knee bend. Inhale and exhale. Step wide. Inhale. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Okay, let's go to the right side now. So if you need to, again, make sure you have your block there. You can have a chair seat over there. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, right leg steps. Now, turn the left foot in by lifting the ball of the left foot. Turn it in slightly. Lift the ball of the right foot. Turn it out 90 degrees. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Gaze at your right middle finger. We're going to do a moving Virabhadrasana 2. So exhale, bend the right knee, 90 degrees. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. And inhale, straighten. Great. Now exhale, bend warrior 2, moving on. Modified side angle, right forearm to right thigh. And then sweep the arm around in big circles, left arm circles. Inhale up. Exhale, sweep it around. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then other way. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Great. Inhale, come up. Straighten from here down to Trikonasana and back up. So breathing in. And then exhale, right hand down, left hand up, keeping the hips open. Inhale, come up. Exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and inhale. Exhale, lower the arms down, keep them up if you want it to be harder. And now we're going to add all those things together. Virabhadrasana 2, Parsvakonasana, Trikonasana, and then we're going back the other way around. You'll see. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, this time Utthita Parsvakonasana, hand to the block on the outside. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, straighten to Trikonasana. Inhale, bend the knee, and come all the way up. Exhale, lower the arms down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And then exhale, bend, warrior two. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, right hand down, left hand up. This time, reach the left arm across the left ear if you can. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, Trikonasana. Inhale, back to Utthita Parsvakonasana. Exhale, left arm up. Inhale, oops, come back up into warrior two and straighten the leg. Exhale, lower arms down. Now, other side. Turn your right foot in. Lift the ball of the left foot, turn it out, and move your block. That. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Gaze at your left middle finger, or past it, and Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, bend 90 degrees. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend the left knee, left forearm down, and sweep the arm, right arm in big circles. Inhale up, exhale round. And the other way. Have some fun with it. And then arm up to the sky. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, straighten the legs. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, just down to Trikonasana and up, right? Down, inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Gaze wherever you like. And inhale up. So again, either exhale your arms down by the sides or not. And then inhale. And we put it all together. Exhale, warrior two. Stay here on the inhale. And then exhale into Utthita Parsvakonasana, almost. Inhale. Exhale, straighten the left leg. And then inhale, come all the way up to standing. Exhale for nothing. Adding on a few more pieces. Inhale. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, Utthita Parsvakonasana, arm across the ear. Inhale to get more length. Exhale, Trikonasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Parsvakonasana. And then inhale, warrior two. And straighten the leg. Lower the arms down, turn the left foot in, and walk or jump the feet together, your choice, into Tadasana. Take a wide stance, hands to the hips. Exhale, bow. Place your hands on the mat. Turning the pelvis forward. Maybe you can bend your elbows. Maybe you can turn your hands so your fingers face away from you. Inhale. Exhale, bowing in deeper. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Hands to your hips or walk your hands up your legs to make it easier. Come up to standing. And then walk or jump your feet together. Tadasana. and you are done. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and remember to click the like button because that tells me that I'm doing a good job. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Namaste.